I thought for the fun of it, I would show you my whole kitchen countertop and what is going on in my world right now as I work a whole lot for, look how huge that ornament is. Look, it's enormous. My whole hand. Towards this charity event that helps Children's Primary Hospital, and what's needed is creating a 9-foot tree with a beautiful theme and custom ornaments. There's so much going on here. There's some water effects. You know, I've been using some hairspray to adhere. Here's my list of all the things that need to be done, how many ornaments are done so far. The LUXE 3D bubbles, we're using those. Glow powders. Let's see. Working on these. Some of the new glow paints. They have color in the day and color at night. It's just been insanity in the most fun and beautiful, beautiful way. Anyways, guys, this is, so for this amazing color, I just used Baby Bird Luxe powder along with Opal 2.0. Start with a 50-50 mix and you'll get the softest, most frosty, iridescent Luxe powder. It's gorgeous, and here's what it looks like. And it's on the top. On the bottom, I've got Morning Dew Kaleidoscope Flakes. Well, the whole thing, actually, I sprinkled with this really soft color, then added the Kaleidoscope Flakes just by using the hairspray. I just sprayed the bottom part of this ornament and sprinkled Kaleidoscope Flakes, but the whole thing is actually covered in the baby blue with the Opal 2.0. Isn't that color so pretty? And it's so easy to do these, guys. They're super elegant, nothing you're gonna see in a store, but really so quick and so simple. WinModernArt.com for these products. They are made in the USA. This is not, you know, your cheap crap found at craft stores. It's light, it's fluffy, and it does not fade from the sun. Love you guys. Time to get back to work. Look at this. I have a huge island. It's just completely overtaken with joy. Huh, guys? They're so patient. All right, we'll go now. We'll get going. But I had to make a video for the VIPs. I had to.